Hi, this video is going to show how to print reports in PowerSchool. The first thing you want to do is sign in, and then from here you're going to come down on the left to Reports. So on this page you have a couple different options. The first is to choose the type of report you want to print. For today I'm going to print a roster with photos of one of my classes. If you have a large report that you're printing and you're worried it's going to take a long time, because when it says print, it doesn't mean it's going to print through the printer. What it means is it's going to print to a PDF that you can then download. But if you want to make sure that it's coming out the way you want it to, you can select print only the first 2 pages, and that'll process a little faster. That's only going to be making a difference if you're printing out reports for maybe 80 or 100 students. If it's a smaller class, then that's not necessarily something you should worry about. If you're printing something to share with parents and it's not something that's a final copy, you can also add watermarks to mark it as unofficial or a draft. You can choose when you want it to print or download. I usually just leave it on ASAP, so it'll do it immediately. And then when you're done, you click Submit. That will bring you to the queue. In the queue, you'll have the day that it was made, the name, the date and time that it started, and when it ended. This was a really small file. It was only 3 students, so notice it printed immediately. And then if you want to see it, you can click View. If you're creating a larger report, it won't come over immediately to completed. It will say that it's processing, and then you just have to wait until it's completed. And you can always hit refresh to make sure that it's updated and giving you the most accurate status. So now if I click View, it'll bring up the PDF with my report. And this is the report that I printed, which is the pictures of the students in my homeroom class.